Video, I'm going to break down and explain the project for the Mandalorian helmet. The model we are building was designed and supplied by the talented Pixel Designs. So when I first received this file, I broke it into stages on how I intended to build. My aim is to start with the inner core of the helmet, split into two sides with a lip feature that can be glued together and placed onto the fixture. The inner cores will then be machined using a mix of adaptive roughing and scalloped finishing strategies. Next, to reference the inside accurately when machining the outside, we designed an indexing diamond split into two halves, which would be machined as a slot on both sides of the helmet. When glued together, it will slot onto the indexing diamond on the base fixture. We will then machine the fixture. The fixture plate will be machined and secured onto the machine bed spoiler board for more rigidity. This will be formed of two parts, timber and high density foam PU. The timber will contain a shallow recess for the foam half to be glued onto, allowing the diamond to be machined for full accuracy. Then adding an indexical slot to reference our machine offsets. We can use this as our setup origin within Fusion360. I've positioned the part so the tool head has enough clearance to machine the deepest inner recesses without hitting the sides of the part. As the helmet is sloped in shape, the tool will be higher on the sides than in the center, meaning I will avoid collision entirely. Extended the inner neck of the helmet using dummy surfaces along the neck to allow over machining, reducing any marks from short leadings and lead outs. Also added a flat surface along the outside of the part to prevent the tool from machining outside. Finally, I will glue the cores onto the base feature and use multi-axis strategies to rough then finish the outside of the helmet, finishing in large sweeping rotary passes. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.